into a glow effect. Step 5. Duplicate. Layer 1. To make the glow effect even more intense, let's duplicate Layer 1. Once again, either go up to the Layer menu, choose New, and then choose Layer via Copy, or simply press the keyboard shortcut Ctrl+J, Win/Command+J, Mac. We can see in the Layers panel that we now have a copy of Layer 1, which Photoshop has creatively named Layer 1 Copy, sitting directly above the original. Notice that the new layer's blend mode has also been copied and is already set to screen for us. Duplicating a layer in Photoshop. Since no selection was active this time, the entire layer was copied. And if we look in the document window, we can see that the glow now appears even brighter, although in my case at least, it's becoming too bright in some areas. The glow effect is now more intense. The glow effect may now be a little too intense in some areas.